Hey TikTok, if you're looking for the best way to heat your Intex or best way pool, you got to check this out.
Today I want to show you my pool heater for my Best Way or Intex pool. It's a Fibropool heater, and it's the reason why I'm showing it to you is it's a 110 heater, meaning it runs off a 110, not 220, which most of them do. I believe this is branded under a couple of different names. I think it's also an aqua pool, and there's a couple of different names for it. But the cool thing about it is, like I said, you can plug it into a regular 110 outlet, just like the pool filter. The heater itself is pretty straightforward. I have it on now. Water going in is 82, water coming out is 83, so it's heating at 1 degree as it comes out. This thing works very well, very easy to set. It's you either have it on or in standby mode. You basically set the temperature, which let me put this in standby for a second. So I press this, it's in standby. See, it shows you one number, you know it's in standby. Then if I want to set the temperature, you hit set twice till it goes to the number 1 on here. And then what you do is you hold, oh, I accidentally hit it. I got to go back to number 1. Okay, so you go to 1, you hold the up and down together until that blinks. So you hold both up and down together till that blinks, and now you can make this hotter or cooler, whatever you want. Once you're done, you just wait about 5 seconds and it will save the change. There you go, it's already saved the change. That's it. And then you take it, right now it's in standby mode, like I said. You press this again and it puts it back on, and this will take a little bit to kick on since I just shut it off, so it'll kick back on in a minute. But very straightforward, very easy to use. You basically, the way this works though, let me show you, is excuse me, you have an in and an out on here. So you're going from the pool, you're coming out of the filter and you're going in. You see the cold down there, or the blue, and then you're coming out the heat and you're going out the return back into the pool. So this is going back into my pool. Like I said, this little heater really works great. I'll put a link in my bio if anybody's interested in looking at it.